Understand the T20 World Cup news, 2026 in simple English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Something very big is happening tomorrow, February 7th. Do you know what it is? It is the start of the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026. Today, we are going to learn 5 important English words using the latest cricket news. Let's get started. Our first word is host. Repeat after me. Host, host. A host is the country where the event happens. For 2026, the hosts are India and Sri Lanka. Example: India and Sri Lanka will host 20 teams this year. The matches will be played in beautiful cities like Mumbai, Colombo, and Kandy. Word number 2, defending champions. Repeat after me. Defending champions. This is the team that won the last trophy. India won the World Cup in 2024, so they are the defending champions. They are defending their title from other teams. Example: can the defending champions win the trophy again? Replacement, big news. Now, some important news. There was a last-minute replacement. To replace means one thing takes the place of another. Repeat after me. Replacement. Replacement. Bangladesh will not play in this World Cup. Instead, Scotland has replaced them in Group C. Example: Scotland is the replacement for Bangladesh in this tournament. Word number 4 is squad. Repeat after me. Squad. Squad. A squad is the group of players chosen for the team. News update. India's squad is led by Captain Suryakumar Yadav. Pakistan's squad is led by Salman Ali Agha. Question for you. Who is the best player in your country's squad? Tell me in the comments. Our final word is fixture. A fixture is a planned match. Here are the big fixtures for tomorrow, February 7th. Pakistan versus Netherlands in Colombo. India versus USA in Mumbai. This is a very exciting start. That's it for today. You learned host, defending champions. Replacement, squad, and fixture. Let's repeat the words again. Host, defending champions. Replacement, squad, and fixture. If my English is too fast, click the settings gear on this video and turn on the audio track. YouTube now has auto dubbing in many languages like Hindi, Spanish, and French. Good luck to your favorite team. See you in the next video. Bye.